So guys, few weeks ago, a company named AsperX reaching me out via email and asking me to review their product, the 10,000 milliampere power bank. I was a little bit skeptical in the first because I had home already a lot of power bank, a lot of chargers, and I tested already a lot. But after I checking this product, I was like, it's very, very budget friendly. It's very, very low price, and it's offer magnetic wireless charging, a built-in USB-C cable, plus a display. So I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. And you know what? I'm absolutely not disappointed. This little thing, it's absolutely worth the price, and I tell you why. Come with me. Okay, so let's speak about what's including the box. As usually, you don't expect much, so it will including the AsperX 10,000 milliampere power bank itself, some of paperwork like usual, but you get an extra USB-C to USB-C cable. So it's a really nice touch from them. Anyway, the whole packaging and everything is feel really premiumish. It's not absolutely not that cheap style, you know, because sometimes you buy something and it's just like a plastic foil and stuff. No, it's I can tell you it's very good. So the first impression was okay. Now let's speak about the design and the build. So my first impressions was like it's compact, lightweight, around 170 grams, and it snaps onto the back of the iPhone pretty securely. The size is nice, it doesn't feel too bulky, and I like that it has a digital LED display showing the remaining battery. That's something you don't always see in the cheaper power banks. It also comes with a built-in USB-C cable that tucks in neatly, which means no more forgetting your cable at home. It's definitely a nice touch. And now the most important things while you buy the power bank itself, it's for the capacity and the charging. So according to the official specs, this bank is rated at 10,000 mAh capacity. But in practice, due to conversion losses and heat, what you'll actually get is less. That's just how these things work. They also claim you can charge iPhones in the 12 to 16 series about 2 full times. So that gives you a ballpark figure for what to expect. When it comes to charging speeds, wired via USB-C, this thing can deliver up to 22.5 watts thanks to power delivery. So you get decent speed when you plug in. For wireless, magnetic charging for iPhones, MagSafe compatible devices, it supports 5, 7.5 and even 15 watts modes. And in the real life use, I can tell it's very close to that speed because it wasn't a problem to charge up my phones, as you see. It's not perfect, but absolutely good enough to keep me going all day. And in real life, this power bank has actually been really handy. I've taken it with me to the gym, just snapped it on the back of my phone while training, no cables dangling, and it kept my music and tracking apps running the whole session. Even when I went to my favorite hairdresser, while I was just sitting there waiting, I had it clipped on the phone and it was topping up quietly in the background. So actually you can charge your phones, your headphones, everything what is USB-C charging capable. And even it's a big bonus to me because I'm vaping. This little guy can charge my vape on the go. Just plug it in with the built-in cable and I'm sorted. So as you can see, if you go somewhere in the city and you are lack of power of your vape, example, you just plug it on, it start to charge, it's showing your battery percentage and you're ready to go. Simple as that. So let's wrap up, guys. What I thinking with the AsperX 10,000 mAh power bank? I absolutely recommended this product. For that price, it offers you a built-in cable which is braided. You get another cable USB-C to C. You get a display so you can check your battery percentage. You know, usually the lower budget power banks, even the higher budget power banks, you get a 4 or 3 dots which is showing you what's the battery expectation, but you don't know really how many percentage you have left because it's just the LEDs. You can charge this power bank around 1.5 to 2 hours fully. It's very lightweight, it looks beautiful, actually very slim, not bulky, not heavy. You can get black color, you can get this white color which I really like, and you're just ready to go. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. subscribe if you haven't yet, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.